Good morning students, I am your English teacher Shubhana and today I will take your revision of nouns and its types. As you know that all names are naming words and all naming words are nouns. Okay students, I have taught you in the last video about nouns and its types and in that video I have taught you common and proper noun. Uh, the common and proper nouns are types of noun and countable and uncountable noun, they are the kinds of noun. Okay, they are different from each other. Okay students, now we will revise the topic. Okay students, okay, look at the board everyone. Nouns. Yes students, as you know that all names are nouns. First of all we will learn the concept of noun. Okay, I will write some words on the board. Okay students, these are some words. Now you have to find out the nouns from them. Okay, इनमें से आपको nouns find out करने हैं. First of all, we will read each and every word from the board. Okay, Delhi. Okay, school, river, boy, teacher, play, long. Okay students, times about it many times that all names are naming word. Okay, so you have to find out the names only from them. सिर्फ आपको names में से find out करने हैं. Okay, is it a name? Yes, it is a name of a place. Yes, it is a name of a place. That's why we circle it. And the second one is school. Because the school is also a name of a place. And second one is river. River is a name of a water body. Okay, students. And next one is boy. Boy is a name of a person. Okay. Boy भी हमारा because जो बॉयज होते हैं उनके लिए हम बॉय ही यूज करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द नेम ऑफ a human being. Okay, and next one is teacher. Play is, yes students, play is not a naming word, it is a verb, it is a action word, it is a doing word here. Okay, so this is not a naming word. And long is a describing word, that's why we put cross below it. Okay, so these are our naming words: Delhi, school, river, boy, teacher. Now students, we will find out common and proper noun, because students, there are 5 types of nouns. Okay, first is common noun. Second is proper noun. Third is collective noun. Fourth is material noun. And fifth is abstract noun. But students, in this video we are talking about common and proper nouns. Okay, we are talking about common and proper noun because they are in your syllabus, so we will erase them. Okay, erase all the other nouns. Okay, now I will teach you common and proper nouns. Okay students, common, what is common? Boy is a word we use this word for all boys. We use this word for all boys. That's why it is a common word and it is a common noun. Okay. First of all, we will learn from examples. Common nouns. What is the common noun? The words that are used commonly for the same kind of things. एक जैसी चीजों के लिए जो सेम यूज होते हैं वर्ड्स कॉमनली यूज होते हैं, दे आर कॉमन नाउन्स. लाइक वी यूज बॉय, है ना. फॉर एग्जांपल बॉय, we use boy for all boys. We use boy for all boys. That's why it is a common noun because we use it commonly, है ना. We use it commonly, सभी के लिए commonly use करते हैं. Like girl. Yes, common noun means the words that are used for the same, that are used commonly for the same kind of things. Like girl, we use this word for all girls, है ना. We use this word for all girls. Like teacher, we use this word, we use teacher for all teachers. And river, we use river for all rivers. And mountains, we use mountain for all mountains, whether it is Mount Everest, whether it is any other mountain, है ना. We use mountain, we use this word for all mountains. Okay. Okay. Next one, boy, girl, teacher, river, mountain, book. We use book for all books, whether it is Ramayana or whether it is English book. We use book for all books. Okay. That's why it is a common word for all books. Okay. And yes, month. As you know that students, we have 12 months in a year, है ना. There are 12 months in a year and we use this word for all months or all 12 months. Okay, we use this word for all 12 months. That's why it is a common noun because we use this word commonly, है ना. And next one is day. We use day for all days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All days we use for all days this word. Okay. So these are the common nouns and we use these words commonly for the same kind of thing. Okay students. The next one is proper noun. Yes students, proper nouns are the names of particular place, particular person or particular things. Okay, the names of particular person, like the name of a boy. Okay, the name of a boy, like Mayank. Mayank is the name of a boy. The name of a boy, Mayank. Yes, proper nouns are the proper names of particular place, person or things. Okay students, remember this thing always. Proper nouns क्या है? Proper nouns are the proper names of a particular person, particular place and particular thing. Okay, like boy. Boy is a common noun and and Mayank is a particular. Mayank is a name of a particular boy, है ना. Mayank is the name of a particular boy. Like girl. Here, yes students, common nouns are the words we use for all, है ना. We use for all the same kinds of things. We use for all the same kinds of things and same kinds of person. Okay, तो इनको हम ऐसे यूज करते हैं. But proper nouns are the names of a particular thing, particular person or particular place. Like this, boy. Mayank is a name of a particular boy. Girl, Gargi. Gargi is a name of a particular girl. Okay, like river. Yes, river. And the Ganga. The Ganga is a name of a particular river. Okay. And mountain. Mountain, the Himalaya. Yes. Yes. The mountain, the Himalaya is a name of a particular mountain. Okay. These are the proper nouns, and the proper nouns are the words we use for a particular person, particular place or particular thing. Like pencil, है ना? Pencil is a common noun, and the name of a pencil, the name of a particular pencil is proper noun, and place, any place, and the name of any monument. Okay. Monument. Yes, students. The name of any monument, of any particular monument is a proper noun. Like this, Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, and any other monument. Okay, these are the proper nouns. Clear to all? And students, I will make a table of common and proper noun. Okay, here. After seeing this, you will be able to make the difference between common and proper noun. Okay, students. Common and proper. Yes, students. Let me tell you one more thing. That we call proper noun, we call proper noun as special names also. Okay, we called it special names also, because we all have special names like my name, your name, है ना? We all have special names. That's why we call it special names also. Okay, common and proper. Okay, now I will write a common and a proper for that word. Okay, like book. The name of a book? Yes, the name of a book, the Ramayana. Yes, students, let me tell you one more thing, that is yes, students, when I have taught you punctuation marks, then I told you about the capital letters, that we make capital letter, we make the first letter of proper noun capital always. Okay, we make the first letter capital of a proper noun. And let me tell you one more thing, that when we write a proper noun, then we write the with it. Okay, the Ramayana, the Ganga. Okay, we use the with the proper noun. Okay, book, the Ramayana, but not with the names of any person. किसी person के name के साथ the use नहीं होता, but we use the with the name of things. Okay, with the like the Ramayana, the name of any newspaper. Okay, the name of any river, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Kaveri, we use the with them. Okay, book. Then festival. Holi. We can write Christmas, Diwali, है ना? We can write any name of a particular festival. Holi, Diwali, and etc. कुछ भी write कर सकते हैं. Okay, festival. And name of any pen. Okay, pen is a common noun because we use this word for all pens, है ना? And fountain pen. and places like city. Yes. Can you tell me any name of a city? Yes, Gurgaon, है ना, Gurugram. So Gurugram is a name of a particular city. That's why it is a proper noun, and only city is a common noun. Why? Because it is this word is used for all cities, है ना, and planets. Yes, students, planets. What about planets? Yes, planets is a common noun, but the name of any particular planet is a proper noun. Okay, planets like Earth. Then, yes, students, we use the with the Earth, with the name of the planet, and we should make the first letter capital of a proper noun. Okay, students, this is the difference between common and proper noun. These are the differences between common and proper noun, students. Now you have to revise this topic, common and proper noun and nouns. Yes, students, as you all know about the nouns, that all names are nouns, and here I have told you about the difference between common and proper noun. So you have to revise this topic and prepare yourself for the PT1. Okay, students, take care. Bye bye.